Our taste. These are mine.
Oh,
Scott.
yeah.
Where are you going?
Mama, say
Why
hi.
are you wearing a sweatshirt?
And I'm not allowed to go.
It's hot.
Mama, Mama, say hi.
Oh my God, get that off me.
Why? Hey, wait.
Because I'm old and I think of myself differently than that, how I actually look.
Really?
Mama, are you guys going
Mama.
to the pool?
You
No.
look better than my mom. Okay.
Oh,
No,
Mama.
my mom's older than me.
My mom doesn't wax her mustache off. She shaves it.
Yep.
She shaves her mustache.
Well, at least she gets rid of it.
It does. She doesn't shave it soon enough.
Okay.
She shaves it like once every month, and then she has a giant mustache the rest of the month.
I pluck mine. Once
She's
Mommy
too
took me to the that string, I got my whole face done. Now, if you look close, it's something about getting older. I have really long. It's light, thank God, but I have a lot of fur.
Can I try some?
No. Well, I get dark ones, and I just pluck
It's good.
them.
I have some right here. I don't know if I should get it waxed.
Wawa?
They want to get stiff.
I don't know. Are they just?
Why are you like
individual?
going on the...
Yeah, yeah.
No, why not?
Yeah, yeah.